Hello, I'm Ray. Time to fire up the Lister D engine. First time this year. It's been away for the winter under its cover. We found a chair cover to put over it. My wife found that, which is good. It's meant for patio chairs, you know. Fits nicely over the engine. It's been under the patio roof as well, so it hasn't got wet, but of course there is damp in the air throughout the winter. Anyway, I've made some video clips and put them together for those of you who are interested. Have a look at this. Well, after a long winter, it all seems to be in one piece. Got the starting handle ready. Put a little drop of oil on that. It's been kept under the patio roof outside, but of course it still gets damp. Still got a fuel leak here. That's this tap. That's a new tap and it leaks. It's hopeless, isn't it? But it's all looking good. Got a few things. Got to put petrol in and oil and water, of course, in there. I shall give it a couple of swings without the spark plug connected, just to make sure that get a bit of a splash of oil here and there. I always leave that disconnected when I'm not using the engine, just in case someone turns the handle. I don't leave the handle in anyway. This will want a couple of turns to get some grease to the rockers. The audio in the next clip, or next two clips I think, is down a bit. I don't know why. It's I think I was too far away from the camera. I was sort of mumbling to myself, but you get the idea of it anyway. First thing to do is to take this off, the rocker cover. There we are. Let's have a look in here. Oh, there we go. Put that somewhere safe. And then just a little, oh, it's looking pretty good in there. Just put a little drop of oil here and there. There we are. Just a little bit for its first fire up of the year. And then we stick that back on. And then here, oh, that's got oil in it already. I'll put one drop there on that little wick, like that. Close that. Then there's another oil place here. I'll have to get a spanner for that one, hang on. So a little drop of oil in that one. In there, that's it. And put that back. And tighten that up with a spanner. And of course we need some petrol. That should do, just to start it up. And then of course some water in there. Fill that up. Better get some more of that, and we should be ready, I think, then to fire it up. First time this year. It's all looking okay. Right, get a little bit more water. It just wants a little tickle there to get, there we are, get the fuel through. That's good. A couple of turns on this just to, that's the grease for the rocker shaft. Right, here we go. Typical, didn't start first time. I was hoping it would. I gave it a couple of swings with the spark plug disconnected, just to get the fuel through and splash a bit of oil here and there. And I connected the spark plug, turned the fuel on, and this is what happened. There's a fair amount of compression there, as you could see when I was trying to turn it. You probably notice also it's anti-clockwise. My one runs anti-clock, not clock like most of them do. So there we are. A little bit of not running quite as smooth as I'd like it. Once it warmed up, and I adjusted the mixture properly, it was running smooth as a... I can't say that, can I? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I shall be firing that up every day now, just for the fun of it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye for now.